Let us make a fan that spins in Microsoft PowerPoint. We are going to make a rotating fan in Microsoft PowerPoint, that animation. So we go to Microsoft PowerPoint. You can search for it in your apps, then you start it. So I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint Office 2019. So let's start with a blank presentation. So I'll select the blank presentation. So I can just delete these text boxes here. Let me zoom a bit. Alright, so I'm going to insert a shape. So I'll go to Insert tab and go to Shapes. Then I'll select this partial circle. So you click it, then hold the Control button, the Control key and the Shift key simultaneously and drag to draw a circle. To the desired size that you want, you can adjust it. So hold that N and adjust the size. Now let's increase the height small, or the radius. So we have something like this. Alright, this is okay. So it looks like the blade of a fan. And now what we are going to do is that we can copy it. So I'll right click, and now copy, and now right click, and now paste. Alright, so let me turn this. So we can do a fan with 3 braids and also a fan with 4 braids. So let me start with a fan with 3 braids. So I'll paste again. Let me paste again. So let me rotate it like this. Alright, so this looks like a fan blade. Alright. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do now is to add what is in the middle there. So go to Shapes and go to Circle and draw a circle here in the middle. That is where the motor is. Alright, so you can now, so you have something like a fan here. It looks like this one is not. Alright, so we can select everything. Go to Home tab. Go to Home tab. Then you click Select All. Then what we can do is that we will group it. So go to that range. Then you group. Alright. So we have something like a fan here. So what you're going to do is that we can change the color. We can change the color. So shape fill. Let me select this color. Okay. Alright. So I want to make it have some 3D effects. So I'll go to presets and I'll select the second preset here. So we can see that it is having some 3D effects here. Now I can select the middle one here and again change the outline to something like gold. Then I can change the weight as well. I change the weight. Alright. Okay, so let me add the animation that spins this fan. So we go to Animation tab, then we come to Spin. Alright, the fan is spinning. Okay, so we can increase the effects. We can make it, let's say, full spin, 2 spin. Alright, So you see that fan spinning. We can go to more. We can increase the speed here. We can increase the speed by reducing this. So if you go to animation, go to slideshow, for animation. So you see the fan spinning. So we can go to animation pane, then we go to the effect options, then we can go to timing and we repeat as many times as we want and click OK. So you see how the fan is spinning. Alright, so let's go to slideshow from current slide. See how our fan is spinning. Okay. Alright, so we are going to change the blades to only 2 blades now, to only 4 blades. So I'm going to delete one of them. I'll delete this one. So after deleting this one, I'll select this and this. Then I'll copy. Then I'll paste. So after pasting, I can rotate it. So I can right click and send it back. Alright. So let me select all again and go to home. Now go to select all. So I'll group it again. Go to arrange and group. So when you do that, then we lost the animation. So what we have to do again is to go to animation and add them. Go to spin. Then you can add 2 spins. Then you can go to animation pane again, go to the timing and increase the duration, the number of times. Then you can also increase the speed again by reducing the duration here. So we can see how we're able to make a spinning fan animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can change the color. You can change the color to anything you want if you wish. So you can change this color to, let's say, blue. This one to maybe red. This one to maybe yellow. And this one to maybe blue. So we go to slideshow and see something. Spinning fan animation in Microsoft PowerPoint.